Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, before this we have done the gaseous exchange in animals, especially in human. And in this video, our objective is to know the respiratory disorder. Air. When the air gets into the body through the nostril, then it enters into pharynx and then trachea. Trachea is further branched into bronchi, and the bronchi is further branched into bronchioles. At the end of bronchiole, there are small air sacs. We call it alveoli. By the contraction and the expansion of alveoli, the CO2 and the oxygen gases exchange due to diffusion process. And the alveoli are rich in blood capillaries to exchange of material. Through the alveoli, the CO2 from blood capillaries get into the alveoli and oxygen is get into the blood. After knowing the gaseous exchange in lungs, so we will discuss the respiratory orders further. Bronchitis. Bronchitis is derived from bronchi. The inflammation of the air passage. We term as bronchitis. Inflammation means any physical condition in which the part of body becomes red, swollen, hot, often painful, especially as a reaction of injury or infection. It is caused either by smoking or by some bacteria, and this disease is characterized by the cough, increased mucus secretion, shortness of breathing, and low fever. Next is emphysema. It is related to the progressive destruction to the alveoli due to long-term exposure, usually to the industrial pollutant. It is characterized by laborious breathing. It causes cough with the phlegm production. Actually, in this, alveoli are infected. Next is pneumonia. It is infectious disease. Infectious means caused by the microorganism, usually caused by the special bacteria, virus, or fungi. In pneumonia, the alveoli are infected so that they may fill with fluid or pus. The breathing becomes difficult and the pain suffer from fever, cough, chill, and chest pain. Next is asthma. It is an inflammatory condition. It means condition in which the part of body become reddened, swollen, hot, and often painful condition due to any injury or infection. It is an inflammatory condition of airways of lungs. It is characterized by the shortness of breath, chest pain, fever, hissing sound during the expiration, and cough. Asthma is actually an allergic response to pollen grain, dust, smoke, fur, feather, and the number of other substances. It may obstruct the airways, making it difficult to breathe. It means whenever its solution is whenever we are outside, must put on the mask. Next to it is lungs cancer. Lungs cancer is usually associated with the smoking because the smoking have the harmful substances just like the nicotine, tar, etc. And due to smoke, the air pollution, abnormal cell appear in the lungs which may spread to other tissues. And the major sign and symptoms are the patient will be suffer into cough with blood, shortness of breath, repeating lung infection, weight loss, bone ache, and the worse senses, weakness, and the fatigue.